go. Anyway, so I have had this space now for probably a year and 2 months. I say space because it's half office, half storage, half wardrobe thing. But I try to spend a good chunk of my week down here when I'm not working, when I'm not spending time with Lauren. I was thinking the other day, I've had this space for a year and a bit now, and I've never actually organised any of it. It kind of, when we moved in, every other part of this apartment was so focused on that this kind of, it stayed in the drawer it was originally in a different place. Because I had these units where I lived before, but none of it was organised, or I knew where some things were, but not other things. So I've decided to change that. I've decided to actually get organised and stuff. So this is what this video or a couple of videos will be about. So in my setup, it's kind of broken into 3 types of organisation pieces, if that makes sense. Camera trolley, desk drawers, and this Kallax unit from Ikea. 4 out of the 8 of the boxes in here are used for cameras and tech stuff, and the other 4 is clothing stuff. And the same with this one there, that's a bunch of just clothing bits and stuff. There's also random bits stored on the floor which I want to organise, and there's also some organised there you can kind of see like the edge of a Christmas tree. I feel like first thing I'm going to do is try and organise these computer drawers. I don't know how many videos this is going to be spread across, probably 1 or 2, hopefully none more than that because it shouldn't take that long. But I'm going to smash out the drawers, empty them all out, get rid of all the stuff I don't need, and only keep the things which I know I'm going to need. Right, let's get started. Let's organise these drawers and start with that. So I've already noticed one thing. I've emptied out all my drawers. I've got it all organised on the floor. And I've realised I have nothing to put it in. I have no drawer organisation bits. I've got one flappy. I got this thing, but it's not going to quite cut it. So I'm going to hop onto my streaming angle, look on Ikea, and see what organisational bits we can find. So I'm on my big boy stream camera with a big old ring light to make me look pale as hell, but I've got Ikea up. And I have already filmed this once, but it literally was showing my postcode right here. So obviously I couldn't show that. Anyway, it's good things led me to this page, because this is the thing I used to have. But I like these ones. If I click save, cool. It won't give away where I live. That's a start. So this Ragasar looks like it will fit the dimensions of my drawer of the Alex drawer, which is this one in white. And it looks like it will fit the internal drawer. It's a shame they don't show any organisers in these photos. That would make a lot of sense if they did that. So we added one, the Ragasar. Cool, I thought my post was on there. Added one, the Ragasar. And there was another one, which, where is it? It was called like Ugtera? I don't know. Ooh, drawers. What are these organisers? Insert with 8 compartments. How big is it? 36 by 53. I know for a fact that will fit perfectly. So add one of those. Rated products, no, not much is there. Not much. If we type in drawer organizer, something's bound to come up which goes in drawers. That's it, Up Terror. That's one. And by the way, I don't live in Bristol. I've just put it there because why not? This looks like it might have been stock in a store near me. Now this is like a kitchen one, so I'm not sure. It says unavailable. Maybe that's unavailable for the whole UK. Interesting. Currently in the kitchen drawer section. Interesting. Show by room. Office. Desk organisers and accessories. So this all... How tall are these bad boys? Measurements. Height 5 centimeters. That's definitely like 10 centimeters. So... we'll add a couple of those. We'll see. Now I did have the scub ones before, but they got really dusty, which was those ones there actually. Oh, how much are they? So they're 13 centimeters. Okay, so these smaller ones we've added. These Gradiston. They look like a nice little mix. Tray. I like that tray. We'll add one of those. We'll just have one of those, you know, for good luck. I'm not spending £63 on a bunch of boxes though. That is a lot of money. Anyway, this is the selection that we have. We have the Ragisar, Gracedan, Up the Terrors, Kugis, and Ragisar. We've added 2 of those, but they're different sizes. I think I'm actually going to go to IQ and look at those because I'm going soon. So, yeah. I guess this is where we end this video because right now I've emptied these drawers and there's not much else I can do with it really. So in the next episode, we'll hopefully have some drawer units, some drawer organisers, and we'll start to crack with the organising. If you did enjoy this video, it's been a bit of a weird one, been a bit of a short one, but if you did enjoy it, click that like button below, click subscribe if you really did enjoy the video, and I'll catch you in the next video where maybe we'll be do some drawer things. Yeah.